Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer mode in your Discord account. So let's begin. So once you've accessed your Discord, make sure it is the latest version before we proceed with any changes. Then right over here, click on the user settings, scroll down, choose advanced. And over here, we have the very first option, which is developer mode. Developer mode exposes context menu items helpful for people writing applications using the Discord API. So basically, when you turn this on, you have the option. You can right click on users, servers, channels, and messages, like most like over here, etc., to copy their unique IDs, like user IDs, channel IDs, and message IDs. This is very useful for developers creating bots and integrating with the Discord API. But if this is off, you won't be able to use any of those functions. So this is where you can turn this on and have more freedom. Okay. So I hope you found this video very helpful.